In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use NordVPN for gaming. So a lot of people out there are having different kind of ping issues due to regional discrepancies and server distance. So NordVPN can exactly help you solve that issue if you simply opt for their services. Now you can see if you have the features section, we have a lot of different kind of options in here. We have mesh net, we have threat protection and high speed VPN. So this is the one that I suggest you. Now all you need to do is simply click on this get NordVPN for now, but before you get it, what you need to do is simply head over to the link in the description below to get 70% off onto their subscription pricing and plans. And that, my friend, is going to be helping you to do exactly what you need to do in your gaming. And yeah, so it is basically going to be optimizing the speed and everything for you to provide you with the best service. So I hope this is going to be helping you guys out, and if it does, you can subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more and see you in the next video.